Hello guys and welcome to Quick Solution. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can temporarily deactivate your Messenger account. So the first thing you have to do is open the Messenger application and then hit this icon with the three lines at the top left corner and then go to the settings option. And right here, if you scroll down, you'll see that you have a bunch of options, and you have to go at the bottom of the page in see more in account center. So basically you'll go to the account center section, and right here you'll have to access this option right here, personal details, and you have to select the very last option, account ownership and control. So right here you will see that you have this option, deactivation or deletion, and we are going to hit that option and select the account that we want to deactivate. So basically in order to deactivate your Messenger account, you will have to deactivate your Facebook account as well. So right here, as you can see, we have these two options: deactivate account temporary or delete account permanent. So we are going to hit this option right here, the very first one, deactivate account, and hit continue. And right here, after you hit continue, you will be asked to insert your password. So what you're going to do right here is insert your Facebook password, and then you have to hit continue. So basically the thing is that in order to deactivate Facebook Messenger, you'll have to deactivate your Facebook account. So you can go forward and do that. Go to then deactivate your Facebook account temporarily, and you will no longer have access to Facebook Messenger. So once you will reactivate the Facebook account, you will regain access to the Facebook Messenger application. So this is all for today, guys. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.